In this video, I'm going to be teaching how I was able to achieve this Superman landing effect using my phone and CapCut app. The next thing to do is to record the video of you panning the camera down, then you walking into the camera, then jump as if you are landing, like pretend you are landing. The first thing to do is to import the video you want to edit while you are jumping down from the sky. Click on plus. So this is the video I recorded myself. Click on add. So this is the part where I jumped down. So I'm going to cut this part and delete. Then here I'm going to also cut and I'll move to where I landed. This place I'm about to jump and land, I'm going to cut that part again. Here I'm going to click on split. Then I'm going to delete this first part here. So it's going to be like this. It's going to be like this. And I'm going to cut out this end part to make it. So this is what you're having here. This. So the next thing to do is to click on this first clip where I banged, and I'm going to increase the speed. Click on normal. Now I'm going to increase the speed 3.5. So this is what you have here. You get. The next thing to do is to freeze this clip. Click on this clip, freeze the best bit, the beginning of it. I'm going to freeze it. Click on freeze. I'll click on overlay. For overlay the freezed, then I'm going to take it to the beginning of this clip. Then I'm going to cut it this way. So this is what I'm going to have. So the next thing to do is to cut out this clip I split there. I'm going to click on cut out. So I'm going to remove background and auto remover. So I'm going to remove the background. This is how it is now. So the next thing to do is to use keyframe to bring it in. So I'm going to click on keyframe, and I'll move to the beginning of it and reduce the size of the subject and take it above. So we're going to be having something like this. You get. So the next thing to do now is to click on this part of the video, click on duplicate, then click on overlay, and you bring it down to the beginning of this clip this way. So once it's like this, the next thing to do is to click on remove background also. So I'm going to remove this background. Click on auto remover. So once you're done removing this background, what you have to do is to click on overlay. So we're going to click on overlay to add the effect, to sell this effect well. So I'm going to click on overlay. Then I'm going to look for the video here. So I'm going to add this green one first. So the next thing to do is to click on remove background also. Then click on chroma key. Then select the green and reduce it. So the next thing to do is to position it very well where I want it to be. So the next thing to do now is to click on layer. So we take it to the back. Once you take it to the back, the next thing to do is to click on splice. Then we're going to select the one that matches the ground. So once you have this, we're going to click on check mark, and I'm going to drag it back like this. So the next thing to do, see, this is what we have now. The next thing to do is to click on overlay. Then we're going to add this overlay again. So click on add. This time around, we're going to slice it off Then we're going to have something like this. This is how we arrived at this. Then the next thing to do is to add some sound effects to sell this more. I'm going to make another video on how I added the whole sound effects to this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.